guys, trust all of you are doing good. Welcome back to my new episode on IT careers. In this episode, I have come up with yet another interesting topic. That is, what are the domains that are going to offer great career opportunities in 2018? So when we have been hearing about layoffs in many companies, some of you might be wondering if there would be huge demand for professionals in any IT domain. Yes, IT industry is to see great surge in demand skilled professionals in certain domains. Some of the domains which are to offer exciting and challenging career opportunities in 2018 are cybersecurity, IoT, and artificial intelligence. Cybersecurity, the new battlefront. According to recent annual survey by Telstra, almost 60% of businesses experienced at least one disruptive security breach per month in 2016, compared to just 23.7% the previous year. From a national security perspective, the attacks themselves on government departments, or corporations and businesses are reason enough for concern. Moving away from cash transaction and paperwork to cloud-based accounting and data management leave them open to unprecedented breaches online. Looking at that breaches that have been happening globally, opportunities for IT security candidates and graduates are abundant, to say at least. The skills shortage is widespread, and these in-demand professionals will see massive opportunities in the coming year. IoT, the Internet of Things, will be the next global paradigm shift. It's projected to be even bigger than the Industrial Revolution, more revolutionary than the Internet, and forecast to affect or disrupt almost every industry sector everywhere. That's a big call. Some sectors and organizations are better placed to benefit from and accommodate the changes it will bring. Telcos are particularly well suited to adapt and profit from this generational shift, as they're already processing staggering volumes of data, and the performance of their network will be a linchpin of the IoT. As we move quickly towards a world where corporations having buildings, machineries and assets connected to the web, guaranteeing the security and capacity of these data networks will be in the hands of telcos to push the revolution forward. For seamless integration of web with environments and objects around us, large corporates have been investing billions of dollars to create a smart world. This field is to see great surge in professionals soon. AI. As for artificial intelligence, given the money and resources IBM, Google and Amazon are committing to the effort, the hype would appear to be real. We all know how Apple Siri, Amazon Echo and Google Home have become great virtual assistants handling our routine, schedules and even the way we control our surroundings, thanks to AI. Recently, an Australian bank, UBank, launched a RoboChat. This is an automated virtual assistant designed to not only answer questions posed by prospective home loan applicants, but programmed to actually read and respond to customers based on their mood. They've even humanized him by throwing some humor in the mix. From automation of chats to image processing to adaptive learning tools, etc., AI is to play a revolutionary role. So definitely skilled professionals in this domain are to see great demand in the near future. I trust you enjoyed this video. So do like, share, subscribe before you move to another video. Thank you.
Do you wish to join this course? To get connected with the best trainers and training companies, visit the link.